Hi guys, welcome back. This is HD Signatures. How you guys doing? Happy New Week, guys. So today's makeup tutorial on how to is brows. We're going to be talking about brows. I'm going to teach you guys how to fill in your brows, most especially if you have a full brows. I'm going to show you guys how to work with your full brows, how to keep them in place. I'm going to show you the tips, tricks, tools to use and products to use. I'm going to show you guys that in this tutorial. So if this sounds exciting to you, please carry on to watch this video. You're going to be needing 3 brushes. You need a spoolie to brush your brows. You need a flathead brush to clean out your brows, and you also need an angled brush. Going to the product, you need a brow gel. To keep your brows in place, you need a lash glue or you need a brow tamer. To clean out your brows, you need concealer. You need a concealer that is close to your skin, and you also need a concealer that is 2 shades lighter. Preferably use a concealer that you use in highlighting your under eyes to clean your brows, most especially the arch area. Then the beginning part of your brows, you use a concealer that is close to your shade. And we're going to be going ahead to use a setting powder. I will show you why you need that, a translucent setting powder. This is going to further make your brows last really long. Go ahead and brush your brows up. I'm going to be going ahead to use brow tamer. I'm also trying to go in between those lines. So what I'm doing is, if you look at my brows here, guys, this part is fuller. This is fuller than this part here. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a stroke. Can you see? You want to drag your concealer down once you place it close to where you want it to be. So you want to drag it down. This will enable you blend out seamlessly, as opposed to guys, this is basically what you need to do. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is the brush I use in contouring my nose. I'm going to go back into the brush and blend my contour nose to the beginning part of my brows. That way you don't have a demarcating line. And this is it, guys. So guys, to achieve a full brows, if you have full brows already,